Hello, this is a Yoke steering wheel installation video. First step, take off these buckles. You can see buckles in the back. And then we'll use 2 screwdrivers to remove the buckle. There are 4 screws, fasten them and take them off. Now we're able to take off the front cover. Here are 3 interfaces that need to unplug them. We need to unplug this little black interface too. Okay, put this part aside. We need to also take off these 3 parts. If you order a real carbon fiber, you will need to remove this black box into the carbon fiber. We need to take this black box off too, the middle one. Take this part off and be super careful, as this is fragile. Install these 3 parts back to the cover and tighten the screw in the back. And then install the wire part back. Plug 3 interfaces back and you'll hear 3 clicking sound. That means you're well fixed. Then plug the black interface into the blue one. Fit this cover back into the steering wheel. Don't forget to tighten the screw to fix the wire part. Then fit the buckles in the steering wheel. 3 clicks and you're done of fitting in. Okay, now let's move to the car and install it. We've already removed the old steering wheel. And now put the yoke in it, push it in the right position. Plug this red interface back in its place. Then put the screw back. Plug the airbag interface. Final step, pump the airbag in. Oh, by the way, to remove the old steering wheel, you just need to push these two holes on the side, and the airbag will pop out. Then unplug the airbag and some other connected wires. And you're able to remove the old steering wheel.